Hello viewers, welcome to the Bathygraphy Tech YouTube channel. Today I will describe in industrial purposes how the larger size bolts are tightened by hydraulic bolt tensioning device. Hydraulic bolt tensioning offers a safe and reliable way to tighten or loosen critical connections in industries including oil, chemical, gas and wind energy and beyond. Hydraulic tensioning by elongation of the screw makes it possible to develop a great tension force for tightening bolts without any torsional stress or friction, but with high precision and very good repeatability. A hydraulic bolt tensioner is annular jack which fits over the bolt and nut to be tightened. The jack pushes against the bolted joint and pulls on the end of the bolt, which needs to be at least 1 diameter longer to accommodation the bolt tensioning too. Because the force produced by the jack is applied directly to the end of the bolt, a tension equal to the load generated by the jack is developed in the shank of the bolt. With the jack applying the tension, it is possible to turn the nut with zero torque until it is tight. The load applied by the jack is then relaxed and a high percentage, depending on the length of the bolt and its diameter, is retained in the shank of the bolt. A hydraulic bolt tensioning tool provides a quick and easy method for tightening large diameter bolts to high and accurate preloads. Unlike conventional methods, it does not use torque and does not require any forceful turning of the nut or bolt like impact wrenches, flogging spanners, or hydraulic torque wrenches. All of these methods have one common enemy: friction. Overcoming thread friction and friction between the nut and the washer uses up over 80% of the torque energy applied to the nut or bolt, leaving less than 20% of the energy to produce useful tension in the shank of the bolt. Variations in this friction loss from bolt to bolt causes non-uniform tension in bolts that have been tightened to the same torque or impact range setting. In our urea plant, in scrubber unit, inside this vessel there is carbamide solution and here is high pressure, likely more than 150 bar. So we followed from the vessel like this. Inside this side some ammonia was leaking, so we decided to tighten these bolts. So here is high pressure, so bolt tensioning device is used to tighten the bolts. For these bolts we have tightened likely for half pressure and then after full pressure. Here is the hydraulic connector and we followed the sequence. At first we marked all the bolts. You see, for this vessel there is 8 number of bolts. So at first here is the 4 connections, so we tried to connect number of 4 bolts for first time and then after next 4 bolts. So we marked the bolts 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8. You see, here is the bolt tensioning different parts and here is the bridge. At first we place the bridge and cylinder over bolt nut. This is the bolt and upper this side there is a nut, and at first we placed this bridge and then place the puller into the center of the bridge and cylinder. This is placed, and then after, in this way we installed all the 4 bolts. We installed this bridge and puller, and then we did the next works. Here is the bolts. We place this bridge on the bolt nut, and we need to cautious that here is a gap. This gap is free at the time of tightening this unit. After placing this, we need to place another bolts. We place this bridge, and always we remember that this side here is the point. You see all these 4. Here is number 3, and then again one unit is placing here. We placed in crisscross side 4 numbers bridge, and we have a hydraulic connector by which need to connect 4 numbers. And always we have to consider the tightened hole need to center point that is visible, and we also cleaned this bolts thread. You see the socket is connected correctly, and is to be tightened. After normal tightening, we used here a Tommy bar. You see, this is the hole for tightening by Tommy bar. You see, this bar is made in our workshop. Also, the original unit is supplied by the supplier, and this is the hydraulic connector. You see, another connections are rightly connected here, and also it is tightened. You see, if it is possible, at the same time all bolts to be tightened. Now we will connect the hydraulic connector here. Also, for bolt size, the tools are also considered. For different bolt size, different these tools need to use. This connection is only press and then connect this. Inside this tube, high pressure will generate by hydraulic pressure. So when we will test, we need to sincere and always to be considered safety. All the connections are likely connected, and this is the hydraulic tensioning device. Here is the gauge. When we will pressurize, then this meter will increase and show its value. And this is the regulator, pneumatic regulator. To operate this tensioning device we need to air supply, likely 6 bar pressure. To control this pressure we need to supply the air pressure, and after regulating this pressure here is a valve. When we will open this valve, then by the help of pneumatic pressure the hydraulic pressure will generate, and also you see the pressure is increasing. Here we will set likely 500 to 5. Sir, হ্যাঁ এখান থেকে দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। The pressure is increasing here. We will set this pressure likely 500 to 550. You see 525 bar, and we followed have any leakage or not, and also we will follow the bolts. You see, after pressure increasing by the Tommy bar, tightening puller with Tommy bar, here hydraulic hose is connected. When the hydraulic pressure is increased here, then this pressure will inserted on the base, and then if this cover is loose, then there is a gap, and after that if we tighten, then the bolts are tightened and the leakage will stop. For the second time again we are trying to check the bolts, and here is also increasing the pressure. This is the bolt tensioning pressure generating unit. Here is the set pressure. After this also we increase this pressure to 550 bar, and also we tightened, and we followed that there was some loosen the bolts, and after pressing this pressure, you see here is 550 kg per centimeter square pressure set. This is the final pressure, and then tighten puller with Tommy bar. You see, checking the bolts are loosened, and here is a little tighten the bolts. After completing this, we will change this bridge to another 4 bolts, tightening the bolts, and all this bridge is tightened, and now the pressure is reducing by releasing the pneumatic pressure. The air regulator is used to reduce the pressure. This is the valve, and again it is opened. The hydraulic hose is released. Also, if we do not want to release this hydraulic hose, just open this upper bolts and then open this bridge and insert another bolts. For the first time, by crisscross connection, 4 bolts are tightened, and now these bolts will open and then inserted into another 4 bolts. This is the scrubber top cover, and here is the 8 number of bolts. You see again the reverse or another 4 bolts to be tightened by hydraulic tensioner, and also here the hydraulic hose is connected for another 4 bolts, and now all the connections are okay, and now the hydraulic pressure to be supplied. This is very easy way, and this is the bolt tensioning device. Here also increasing the pressure, and it will be increased 550 bar, likely for previous. You see this is 550 kg per centimeter square pressure is developed, and also tightening these bolts by Tommy bar, and we followed that the lower side 2 or 3 numbers bolts likely slide tightened. High pressure is applied here. Also for other types of bolts, for every bolts there is a selected pressure. Always we need to consider that do not exceed the piston stroke. For different sizes of bolts there is selected pressure by the manufacturer, so we followed for these bolts. And for the second time the reverse bolts are checked and tightened, and after all tightening was completed, just we measured its gaps by vernier scale, and before tightening also we measured and we compared these two values. After completion of this bolt tensioning works, we started our process and increased the vessel pressure, and also we followed that the leak which is occurred in previous is completely stopped, and in this way we have completed successfully the bolt tensioning works. Thanks for watching this video.